Hello, you're watching Forex-trader calendar on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Ekaterina Stikhina. The following macroeconomic data will be revealed at the beginning of the coming week. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its interest rate decision for September. The key rate is expected to remain unchanged at 1.5%. At the latest meeting, the Central Bank of Australia stood pat on its 1.5% benchmark rate, which is a record low. The decision coincided with experts' forecasts. According to RBA Governor Philip Lowe, the recent increase in the Australian dollar against the greenback above 0.80 levels had a negative impact on the employment growth rate and economic activity in the country. The bank board believes that the current monetary course is consistent with sustainable economic growth and achieving the targeted level of inflation. On Wednesday, the United States will publish its non-manufacturing business activity statistics for August. The index is expected to rise to 54.8. The Institute for Supply Management reported that in July, the Services Purchasing Managers Index in the United States declined to 53.9 from 57.4 in June. According to forecast, the decline should have been way slower to 57. The PMI is based on the poll of about 400 companies from 60 different sectors across the country. Readings above the threshold of 50 reflect activity growth in the sector, while figures below it imply a decline in activity. The ISM pointed out that services activity has been expanding for 90 months in a row. On Wednesday, the Bank of Canada will also deliver its key interest rate decision for September. Analysts anticipate the same rate of 4.75%. During the last meeting, Canada's central bank hiked its benchmark rate by 25 basis points to 0.75% in line with market expectations. The decision was taken on the back of higher economic growth expectations and eliminating of excess capacity. It was taken into account that the inflation slowed down due to temporary factors and that the monetary policy fell behind the expected price growth rate. The inflation is expected to get back to 2% by mid-2018. Further changes in the key interest rate will depend on inflation data, weakness of the financial system and external factors. In addition to these events, the following data scheduled for release earlier next week can influence market sentiment. On Monday, the UK will report on its construction PMI. On Tuesday, statistics on business activity will be released in Australia, Japan and China. Besides, Switzerland will deliver its gross domestic product data. On Wednesday, Australia will unveil its economic growth data. Trade balance reports will see the light of a day in the United States and Canada. You're watching Forex-trader calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Ekaterina Stikhina. We wish you profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.